In this video, I'm going to show you how to ship to Amazon Belgium. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to do is log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're simply going to go to Inventory and then the Sell Globally tab. If you don't see this tab, make sure you are a professional seller and you're logged in as the admin, aka the email address that created the Seller Central account. After you're done with that, you're going to go to Europe and then you're going to click Create a European Selling Account. Make sure both of these are checked so you gain access to not just Belgium, but all of the European countries, and then you're going to register. When you register, all you're going to need is the regular documents like your passport, bank account statement, credit card statement, things like that. They're just gonna ask you questions to verify your identity, make sure you're a legit person. I recommend to just apply as a personal, not a business, just as yourself. Get that approved and then you're good to go. Just make sure if you submit a bank account statement or a credit card statement or your passport, make sure all of the names on those documents match. So if my passport is Josh Hackett and then my bank account statement says Joshua Hackett, that's a problem, right? You want them to match exactly. And that's not too much of an issue. You can just talk to your bank and they can change it for you. Awesome. And then once you're done that next step, you're going to go back and you'll see that Europe has a green check next to it. Not only are you approved for Belgium, but you're also approved for UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Sweden, Poland, and the newest country is Ireland. So you're approved for a lot of different countries. So now you can go into the top left corner of your screen, go to the drop down, and then go to Belgium. And now you'll see that you're in Belgium and they have like a new seller guide to get started. Make sure you list your products, right? Enroll in FBA shipping and stuff like that. But before we start that, you want to go to the top and type in VAT and make sure you get your VAT number. You're going to need a VAT number to ship items from the US to Belgium. So you can type in VAT, and then Amazon has a lot of different services to help you manage your VAT and get your VAT. So make sure you type that in and get your VAT number so you can start shipping items into Amazon. And once you're done that, it's time to start making sure that you have your bank account attached, your identity is verified in Belgium, and you have your credit card attached, right? So you can just double check, just go through your settings, make sure everything's good, your bank account, your identity is verified, and you have your credit card. You'll know your identity is verified because if you go to your account info, there's not going to be any warnings. As long as there's no warnings, you're good to go. And then finally, it's time to start creating the listings. So you're going to go to Manage Inventory, and then you're going to create your listings. So you're going to go to Catalog, Create Listings, and you're going to create the exact same listings that you have in the USA. It's going to have the same exact SKU number, the same exact ASIN, and the same exact UPC code. So you're simply going to add your products, make sure it's the same exact UPC code and the same exact SKU as the USA listings. That way the reviews transfer over. If you create a brand new listing, then the reviews will not transfer over. So you want to have all those reviews from the USA also showing in Amazon Belgium. Once the listings are created, it's going to look something similar to this. Let me zoom in. And pretty much you're going to make sure it says FBA. So you're going to convert it to Amazon FBA, and then you're going to click Send or Replenish Inventory. This is where you get the label to ship the inventory directly into Amazon. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to give you a label to ship it to the Belgium fulfillment warehouse, right? So here's a label. They're not giving you a shipping label. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't specialize in international shipping yet, but they will give you an Amazon label. So you put all of your items, let's say we're shipping this in, all of our purple Hickaway into one box. We're going to put our Amazon label, and then simply what we're going to do is get a shipping label from UPS.com. So on the Amazon label, it tells us where we're supposed to ship it. So we're going to copy that address. We're going to get a quote from UPS, and then they're going to give us a shipping label. So on the outside of our big box, we've got the Amazon label, we've got the shipping label, and then we're going to drop off the box at UPS, and UPS is going to deliver it directly to Amazon's facility. Once Amazon receives it, pretty much what they're going to do is they're going to scan the Amazon label, and then then it'll sync with your account, and then it's going to say available and things like that. So they're able to track it. You can also go to inventory, manage FBA shipments, and get the UPS tracking number and put it into the FBA shipments. So that way Amazon can check it in even faster. Pretty much once you're done, you'll have available inventory, and then everybody in Belgium gets 1 day or 2 day shipping, and it's going to increase your sales, and then you're pretty much going to be an international seller at that point. Now, before we end this video, I did want to show you my recommendation, and that's to expand to the English-speaking countries first. So my recommendation, expand to the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and Singapore first, especially if English is your first language. Then you can focus on the other countries like Italy, Spain, Germany, things like that. Now, if you did want to focus on the markets that are making the most money, aka that will make you the most money, number one is the US, which is US Amazon. Number two is going to be Amazon Japan, and number three is going to be Amazon Germany. So those are going to be the top three. UK is number four. Number five is Canada, but Canada is way far behind. So I recommend, if you did expand and you already expanded to the English-speaking countries first, you can then start focusing on Japan or Germany or UK next. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below what country you will be expanding to first on Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you on your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us and set up a call. Also, our number one service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to fully manage your inventory. We'll call Amazon for you, customer service, help you expand internationally, advertising, increasing sales, inventory reimbursements, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.